Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 71 plate Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel. It's a hybrid electric vehicle, self-charging, finished in bright white with the diamond cut alloy wheels. Brilliant spec to this vehicle, including the rear parking sensors and reverse parking camera. On the boot space, with previous owner having a rubber protector carpet covered, just helping it keep it clean. And as you'll see on the rest of the inside, it's absolutely immaculate. We'll split between the leather and cloth stitching and the panoramic glass sunroof with the blinds just there on either end for the cover. Touchscreen, cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth, aircon and a charging point for your phone. Also got push button stop start. Full service history on this vehicle. We're just doing over 22,000 miles. Does at points run solely on the electric, but gains charge from the traditional petrol engine. If you'd like to have a drive of it yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.